Hello student, welcome to Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve some previous problems from the chapter probability. Already we have discussed 1 mark and 2 marks problems from the probability. Today we are going to solve 4 marks problems what he has to previously. Just see here I have written a problem on the board. So I am reading again. So there are 100 flashcards labeled from 1 to 100 in a bag. When a card is drawn from the bag at random, what is the probability of getting a card with prime number from possible outcomes, a card without prime number from possible outcomes? So, he has given there are 100 flashcards labeled from 1 to 100. So, see student, how can we solve it? Very easy. So, totally how many cards are there? 100 cards. So, total cards are total cards, so equal to 100. So what are they? 1 2 3 4 dash dash up to 100. There are 100 cards in there. So from the cards, if we draw a card from the 100 cards, what is the probability of getting a prime number? First one is a card with prime number. So now total number of possible outcomes we have to write first. Total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes equal to 100. Since there are 100 cards, so total number of possible outcomes equal to 100. So now we have to select favorable outcomes. What are the favorable outcomes? Prime numbers or cards are the favorable outcomes. So prime numbers, prime numbered cards. Prime numbered cards equal to, so how many prime numbers will be below 100? So there will be 25 prime numbers below 100. There will be 25 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So like that there will be 25. So see here what are they I am writing here. So what are the 25 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71. So next 79. So 83. Next 89. So next 97. So once count how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So there is one more we have missed, 87. So 87 is not 71. So here we have to write 73 also prime number, 73. So these are the 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. So there are 25 prime numbers. So favorable outcomes equal to favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes for prime numbered cards. So how many are there totally? So 25. Favorable outcomes are 25. So let the event of getting prime card be A. Let the event of getting prime numbered card. Getting prime numbered card be E. So let the event of getting prime numbered card be A. Therefore, probability of E is equal to favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 25 divided by total number of possible outcomes equal to 100. So 25 ones, 25 fours are 100. So probability is 1 by 4. So this is the probability of getting prime number. So again we have one more, a card without prime number. So these two are the complementary events. A card without prime number. So a card without prime number. A card without prime number. Without prime number. A chord with prime number and a chord without prime number, these two are the complementary events. So with a chord without prime number is equal to how many will be? So prime numbers are 25, therefore total number of favorable outcomes. So here favorable outcomes equal to, so a chord without prime number, that is 100 minus 25. Since prime numbers are 25, a chord without prime number. So except these 25, remaining all are without prime number. So that is 100 minus 25 is 75. Therefore, P of without prime number. Therefore, probability of without prime number is equal to without prime number is equal to 75 by 100, that is 25 threes and 25 fours, probability is 3 by 4. So a chord without prime number is 3 by 4. Probability of getting a chord without prime number is equal to 3 by 4. So we can say these two are the complementary events. If one is E, then it becomes, we can write here also. So it becomes E bar. So it becomes E bar, another way, E bar. So or we can write P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E, 1 minus P of E, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So we can say in both the ways, either this way or this way. So it becomes E bar. A chord without prime number becomes E bar. If a chord with prime number is A, then a chord without prime number becomes E bar. A and E bar are the complementary events. The sum of the probabilities of complementary events is equal to 1. So here P of E bar equal to 1 minus P of E, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So this is the probability of getting prime number is 1 by 4 and the probability of getting without prime number is 3 by 4.